What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? What's good? I'm going to show you how I make my sugar wax, my soft sugar wax. This is the wax I use from my cooch and all that wonderful stuff. I don't know how the hard wax works for everything else, but I know it's not gonna work for your cooch. So if you're trying to wax yourself, go ahead and watch this. You feel me? I'm gonna show you how to test it and everything. All you need is sugar, lemon juice. You're gonna need a bowl of water to test the sugar wax. You're gonna need some popsicle sticks or whatever you want to apply the wax with. And you're gonna need some strips. What you can use for strips is, I cut up that's not gonna be enough. I cut up an old dirty t-shirt and then, but that's just like, that was just for right now. But when I do my cooch, I use flour sack towels. They're not regular towels. They're like thinner and you can cut them up and they make the perfect wax strips. I ain't even holding you. Cuz. So go ahead, check that out. You feel me? Okay guys, this is what I have. My sugar, lemon juice, my bowl for my water. I already put half a cup of sugar in the pot and equal amounts of lemon juice. It's the same ratio for however amount you want to make. You're going to leave that on the stove for 5 minutes and let it come to boil. And once it starts boiling, you keep an eye on it. I came back in another 3 minutes. Over the course of 3 minutes, so the total amount of time has been 8 so far, you'll see the color start to change slowly. It'll start to turn brown and get real frothy. Now as it slowly gets brown, you're going to take out a little bit and just drop a little bit in the water. If it doesn't take any form and it just looks like water, then it's not done. It's still too soft or it hasn't been cooked long enough. And you don't want to cook it too long, because if you cook it too long, it's no longer going to be soft wax. It will now be hard wax, and we're not trying to do that. So we're going to keep testing it and dropping a little bit in the water. And if it still doesn't take form, you keep cooking it for a little bit longer. Now you can see the color is super brown now, so it's pretty much done. And I'm taking it off the stove top to test it so it don't keep cooking. Okay, now so the total time that it has been on the stove is about 18 minutes. And see how when I drop it in the water, it sticks to the bottom of the bowl. And you can actually pick it up and form it in your hand. That's how you know when it's done. But you can still tell that it's a little soft, so I let it sit on the stove for about 2 minutes with the stove top off, but it was still hot, so it was still cooking a little bit. Now this is what it looks like completely finished. Now what we want to do is let it cool down a little bit and put it into a container. Okay, so when I finished my wax, I let it sit on the stove top for about 2 minutes, so it still was cooking a little bit because the stove top was still hot. So I would advise you to add them little sizzling minutes so your wax could stick better. But as far as that, I showed you how to test it and everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in with your girl. And I pray y'all keep subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Love you.